Hello everyone, I thought I'd just pop on here quickly to say hello to everyone. I've been a little bit absent, no reason. I've been enjoying the early summer here in the UK, doing a bit of decluttering in the craft room, enjoying our granddaughter and just taking a little break really from social media. But I have been doing bits and bobs, nothing very exciting art-wise. I'll show you briefly. I've been filling a daily journal, a bought journal, which I do sometimes. So this is a mixture of photographs, flowers, a few drawings here and there. I keep trying to improve my drawing skills. This is very enjoyable, but it's very banal. The entries are a little bit like we did this today, this is where we went, that type of thing. This one is slightly artier. I did the sketchbook, Karen Aben's sketchbook challenge. These are just a few of the classes from this year, and I think there's some at the beginning from last year. So that's this sort of arty bit, and then I've been popping in bits of collage, just doing my own thing really, just playing with a few bits and bobs. These are all little journals that I've got started. This was Junk Journal January, might even have been last year's Junk Journal January, I don't know. I lose track, and I run out of steam as well with these things. So that's that one, and then this one, which has got hardly anything in it, that's the Marguerite, what's her name? Marguerite's collage challenges. I do quite a few of those, but all in different journals. I don't keep anything very, what's the word, in order, except for this type of thing. This one was the Get Messy challenge at the beginning of the year. I did a few things in there for that, and then just some random stuff, different collages. I really disliked that page, but I decided to leave it in. I used to rip them out, but it's all learning, isn't it really? This is Lisa Young's College Dolls course on Teachable, which I absolutely love doing these little things. I did the whole course in this book. Well, not the whole course, because it's a never-ending course really, and I'd fully recommend it if you like a bit of collage. So I did all these dolls in this little book. They're jelly prints, the backgrounds are jelly prints. Some of these I think have been on Instagram, so you might have seen some of these. Absolutely loved doing this book. This is my grandmother, and I put my mum on the front. So that's where I've been. I have got 2 or 3 journals finished, which I will upload shortly, and I've got some more tutorials, and I need to go and comb my hair. So thank you for watching, and I'll see you all soon.